Hi everyone. Today we're See What's Up Creatives. Today we're transforming logos or text into super realistic embroidery on Fabric Effect. It's perfect for t-shirt mock-ups and personalized products. Create a new document and import your simplified logo or text. Simple designs work best. Duplicate the layer and go to Filter, Stylize, Emboss. Duplicate again and go to Filter, Stylize, Find Edges. Change blend mode to overlay. Merge these layers. Now add layer styles. Bevel and emboss with high depth, small size, soften. Add texture choosing fabric pattern, or create one using filter, texture, texturizer. Add inner shadow for depth. Create a background layer with fabric texture. Can be denim, cotton,